Hey team, welcome to this training that is going to be talking about the SEO metadata. Okay, so setting up your metadata is going to be very important. We've talked about it previously in one of the tech tutorials, but I want to go ahead and walk you through it right now so you understand the importance of it, and we'll walk you through some of the recommendations around it so that way you can go ahead and make sure that you are optimizing yourself to go ahead and get leads automatically from your local area, because there are literally hundreds of millions, if not, I would say definitely hundreds of millions of people in your local area who are searching, right? Obviously, maybe not billions of people in your local area, but definitely hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people in your local area every single day searching for help and support for whatever it is that you do in your business in your local area. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and walk you through how to be able to tap into that traffic that is coming in. Okay, so what's going to happen here is that you are going to be here under sites, and this applies both either to websites or to funnels. We're going to go ahead and talk about it on the funnel side of things. You're going to select the website that you are going to be editing. From there, I'm a big fan of going ahead and hitting open in a new tab, so that way I can preserve the original tab on there. Doesn't matter how you do it. You can hit edit directly if you would like. And then the button that we're going to go ahead and actually use on here is going to be the button that says SEO metadata. Okay, so it's going to be this button right here with that little magnifying glass, okay? And what's gonna happen here is that when we click on that, you'll see that we have all of this kind of blank space here, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our best to go ahead and fill this out for you ahead of time, but it's important for us to make sure that you are empowered to understand how to set this up yourself so you have the skill set for the rest of your career as a business owner. Now, we've talked about the importance of this previously, but I want to go ahead and make sure that we are on the same page here, okay? So SEO metadata is what is going to allow Google and different search engines and social media to index or search and know what this page is actually about. Because once the search engines and the social media platforms know what this page is actually about, they can then actually index it. And so that way, when people are actually searching for, hey, you know what? I need a personal trainer near me. I need a health coach near me. I need a physical therapist near me. I need a nutritionist near me. I need a whatever it might be, any sort of business, that is what is going to tell the social media platforms exactly what this is, okay? So how you do this is once you open up your website and your funnel, you click on SEO metadata, and here you can go ahead and edit what the title is going to be, okay? You can go and edit the description, the keywords, the author, the social image. Now, our recommendation is that based off of what industry you're in, you can go ahead and edit the title, description, keywords, author, and social image. Okay, so for the title, we would recommend, hey, go ahead and use what we have here if this is applicable to you, right? And so this is going to be here, personal trainer near me. This is a good keyword. Online trainer near me, virtual personal trainer near me, Zoom trainer near me, right? Dallas, Texas. All of these are going to be different keywords that somebody might actually search for, right? Same thing is going to apply here for the description. So you can go ahead and put that in there, right? And so you'll see here, this is what the SEO preview looks like once somebody's actually searching on there, okay? Now, this is not going to be an entire SEO course on how to actually properly search engine optimize. If that's what you need, go ahead and let us know inside of the community so we can go ahead and build that out for you. But we just want to go ahead and walk you through, hey, this is the overall kind of recommendation as you're getting started here, right? So keywords, again, something very similar here over there. And then let's say, for example, author, going to be John Smith, right? If that's your name, right? Don't put John Smith if that's not your name. And then social media image, this is going to be where you can go ahead and upload your logo. So you can go ahead and click on this little picture here and upload your logo and have it already be there as well. Now, in terms of custom meta links and canonical links, those are going to be a little bit more advanced, specifically when we talk about more advanced SEO. So we're not going to touch base on that here inside of this video, but the main thing that we want to just go ahead and touch base on here is, hey, make sure you are updating your SEO metadata. It is important, and at least for you to have the minimum viable branding side of things, so that way you have all of this properly built out. Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is the importance of SEO metadata. Make sure you go into your website, and just remember that you got to do this for every single page that you have inside of your website. Now, we're going to make it very easy for you, so that way you're not going to have a gazillion number of pages. We're actually going to go ahead and build a lot of this out for you, and probably put a lot of that SEO metadata in there for you as well. But make sure that you just do that and check it for if you do have more than a few pages there. Now, the other thing is that after you do that, right? So let's say, for example, we come over here, we put all of that there, right? So John Smith was the name. I went ahead and put my social media image there. And then what you do is update SEO metadata, and then make sure you hit save. Very, very, very important. Now, whenever you hit save, it's going to pop this up. It's going to say, hey, you're saving. Is this the SEO metadata? Just confirm one more time. And it brings this up quite often. And so all you do is just verify everything looks good. update SEO metadata, hit save, and then you might have to hit save a couple of times in order for that orange dot to go away. Okay, so make sure you do that, because if you don't hit update SEO metadata and then you don't hit save, it's not going to actually work. And then if you have all of your domain and everything live, you can hit publish, and that way it's actually going to go ahead and make sure that that is published as well. Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is this specific training on the SEO metadata. Let the community know if you have any questions on this. But with that being said, we will catch you in the next training.